Right, right. चल लेना ले सीधा रॉन्ग ही चल
Dr. Ghiasuddin.
भले आगे अली इना ये कमी मुश्किली दारन फेसबुक लाइव ना जूद में शो ये कमी सबको नहीं बस जूद आगाज में
32%. उन्हें आई
She was able to get in.
कौन
हाँ लंबिया नहीं है दो लड़कियों को जो डाला उन लोग आया था
नहीं अपनी वो डांस नहीं है
दान नहीं कर रही है वो दूसरे आवाज नहीं आ रही
they are not speaking
होगा तो ऐसे कर दीजिएगा
हाँ यानी कहाँ उंगली लगाऊं मैं जब ये आएगा
म्यूट ऐसे म्यूट कर दीजिएगा
ये तो ठीक है
बंद हो जाएगा वो करना है तो ये
अब ये हो जाएगा बट ठीक है
और नहीं दिख जैसे ये नहीं शो करेगा ना तो जैसे कि ऐसे कर दी
अच्छा
ऐसे करेंगे तो वो दिखने
बस
लगेगा
बस बस बस
वीडियो भी ऐसे ही है
सही है सही है सही
अभी बंद कर देना
Hello, Ali sir.
Yes.
Can you make us the co-host, please, so that we can?
Madam, when I make your we cannot make co-host. If I host to you, if I
Yes, please.
host to you, change host to you, that I cannot share the anthem, museum anthem, and everything.
Yes, you will be able to. We will give you the screen share option.
No,
But
no,
we need to go
I
live
cannot.
On Facebook. Unless and until you give us the make us the co-host, we cannot do Facebook live.
Because I try to Facebook live.
Yes, please. For a minute, if you can give us, we can do Facebook live, and then I can again make you the host. For a minute, please.
Who wants to who wants to co-host? Try.
Yes, we are waiting for you.
Mr. Patel.
Okay, Ali, since we are running short of time, we may drop the idea of Facebook Live, and you can share the recording to us later. Okay?
Who is Facebook that control Facebook?
Dhanesh Patel.
Mr. Dhanesh Patel, I try to put link to your group.
Okay.
but no permission
No
given me.
problem. No
No
problem.
permission to update.
No problem. We can start the webinar now. We are delayed and I think we wasted 17 minutes on this. So let us start the webinar and I request Giyasuddin, Dr. Giyasuddin to please start the webinar. Okay, Mohammed Ali?
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So I'll just introduce Dr. Giyasuddin Ali.
Mr. Giyasuddin.
Vale.
Salam alaikum.
Salam. शुरू कौन है?
Yes.
ये दे दीजिए माइक अच्छा वो दी hope. A very good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank Office of International Affairs, the Maharaja Siyajirao University of Baroda, and Iran Culture House, Mumbai, and Department of Persian, Arabic and Urdu, Faculty of Arts, the Maharaja Siyajirao University of Baroda, for giving me an opportunity to moderate this very important webinar entitled Persian Language and Literature in Gujarat at a Glance. Also, I would like to thank His Excellency Professor Parimal H. Vyas, Honorable Vice Chancellor, the Maharaja Siyajirao University of Baroda, and Office of International Affairs and Department of Persian, Arabic and Urdu. Also, I would like to thank His Excellency Professor Parimal H. Vyas, Honorable Vice Chancellor, the Maharaja Siyajirao University of Baroda, for extending all type of assistance to holding this virtual seminar in collaboration with Iran Culture House and Department of Persian. Also, I would like to thank Professor Mohsin Ashuri, Honorable Director, Iran Culture House, Mumbai, and Professor Dhanesh Patel, Director, Office of International Affairs, the Maharaja Siyajirao University of Baroda, and Professor Vanisha Nambiar, Deputy Director, Office of International Affairs, Professor K. Krishnan, IC Head, Department of Persian, Arabic and Urdu, and Dean Faculty of Arts, the Maharaja Siyajirao University of Baroda. I would like to thank the dignitaries for giving me their precious time out of their hectic schedule for this webinar. VC sir is busy in some important meetings. He will join shortly. To begin with, I would like to request all the dignitaries to stand up in respect of national anthem of Iran and India and Iran, which is being played.
एक मिनट.
Thank you. I request all participants to be seated. Before I invite the Honorable Vice Chancellor, he is busy in some meeting. I would like to invite Professor Dhanesh Patel, Director, Honorable Director, Office of International Affairs, the Maharaja Siyajirao University of Baroda. Before I invite the Professor Dhanesh, I would like to spell out the program schedule in brief. This webinar has two sessions. First session will commence 2 p.m. and will last unit 2:40 p.m. while the second session will start 2:40 p.m. And will last till 5 p.m. We have a very important literary personalities in Persian language from across the country. Professor Sheikh Wajiuddin, former Head Department of Persian, Arabic and Urdu, Faculty of Arts, the Maharaja Siyajirao University of Baroda. Professor Hassan Zulfikari, Department of Persian, University of Tehran, Iran. Professor S.H. Qasmi, former Head Department of Persian, University of Delhi. Professor Hassan Abbas, former Director, Rampur Raza Library and present Head Department of Persian, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. Professor Ali Mashraf Khan, Department of Persian, University of Delhi. Professor Akhlaq Ahmad Ahan, Center of Persian and Center Asian Studies, Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. Professor Ehsanullah Shukrullahi, Director, Persian Research Center, Iran Culture House, New Delhi, and representative of Sadi Foundation of Iran. I would like to request you all to listen them. Now I would like to request Director, International Affairs, the Maharaja Siyajirao University of Baroda, Professor Dhanesh Patel, to deliver welcome note.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, Maharaja Siyajirao University of Baroda, Gujarat, India.
Mr. Ghiyasuddin, please request to Mr. Patel for open the microphone.
Okay.
Hello.
Unmute. Please.
Okay.
Good afternoon to all of you. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Parimal Vyas, the Maharaja Siyajirao University of Baroda, Professor Mohsen Asuri, Director, Iran Culture House, Professor Krishnan, Dean, Faculty of Arts, In Charge Head, Department of Persian, Arabic, Urdu, Faculty of Arts, and also Foreign Student Advisor, the Maharaja Siyajirao University of Baroda. Professor Vanisa Nambiar, Professor of Food and Nutrition and Deputy Director, Office of International Affairs, BMS, University of Baroda. Distinguished speaker, Professor Kusumi, Professor Alim from University of Delhi, Professor Abbas from Banaras Hindu University, Dr. Hassan from University of Tehran, Iran, and Professor Sularuhi, Persian Research Center from New Delhi, Iran Culture House, and our own colleagues, the retired professor, Professor Sheikh Wajiuddin, and the person who is behind the show, Dr. Ghiyasuddin, the member of Department of Persian, Arabic and Urdu, all invited people, speakers and participants of this international webinar. It's my great proud privilege and honor to welcome you on the international webinar on Persian language and literature in Gujarat at a glance, jointly organized by the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda, particularly Office of International Affairs and Department of Persian, Arabic and Urdu, Faculty of Arts, the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda, and Iran Culture House, Mumbai. I welcome you all, sir, in this webinar. The Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda was established in 1949. We have 111 departments, 14 faculties, 3 colleges, and more than 40,000 students. It's an unique in nature. It's a residential university, and we have also so many research centers as well as some cultural research center also in this university. This webinar on Persian language and literature in Gujarat at a glance was basically, the idea was developed by Iran Culture House, and ultimately we took it forward with the help of Department of Persian, Arabic and Urdu, and of course with the help of other distinguished speakers across the globe. As an Office of International Affairs, my Deputy Director will speak more about that. I'm only just welcome you all. And the whole idea behind this, the workshop is we should have a close collaboration with my university, means the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda, and particularly Iran Culture House. About faculty, Professor Kristen will speak more about that. So I don't want to speak more about that. I welcome you all once again for this webinar. And of course, I would like to say more about our Dr. Ghayasuddin. He is a dedicated person and very enthusiastic about this seminar. So particularly, I'm thankful to him. And thank you all. And once again, I hand over to Ghayasuddin.
Now I would like to Honorable Director Professor Mohsin Ashuri to say something. Professor Mohsin Ashuri, Director, Honorable Director, Iran Culture House, Mumbai.
Hello.
आलू आ गई आली आलू आलू
Hello.
Vale.
In the name of God, the Beneficent, the Merciful, Salam to all my colleagues, my brothers and sisters, distinguished people, distinguished speakers, distinguished professors. I would like to thanks and I would like to take this opportunity to thanks to the University of Baroda, His Excellency Professor Primal Vyas, and also Vice Chancellor, the University of Baroda, His Excellency Professor Danish Patel, Director, Office of International Affairs, the University of Baroda, and Excellency Professor Dr. Krishna Dean, Faculty of Arts, the University of Baroda, respected Professor Vanish Namir, Deputy Director, Office of International Affairs, the University of Baroda, and other esteemed distinguished participants to this seminar, to this webinar also. As you mentioned, the Persian language in India, it's returned back too many years ago. So, on the other hand, if we see around 65 years ago, the Iran Cultural House established in Mumbai. So this is not the 1 day and 2 day or and also less time for collaboration with the universities in India. I am as a professor of Tehran University, I know the role of the university is very important in every society because the people, especially young generation, they can learn so many things through their university, and after that they use and they act in their society according their knowledge that learned through the university. For this reason, I believe that the Persian language is not just only as a foreign language. I think it is a history of, a kind of the history of India. If we return back to the manuscription, so many manuscriptions we can find in India, they wrote but in Persian. And also, if we see about the poets, you can find so many poems in India in Persian language. So I would like to thanks to all distinguished professors who participated, who accepted our invitation to come to this webinar, and they will speak about the history of the Persian in India, especially in Gujarat. In Gujarat is very important because the so many Parsis, Iranian Parsis, they immigrated from Iran to Gujarat first. And they brought with themselves the Persian language also. And the other hand, we can say something about how it is possible to promote the Persian language in the university. I request to His Excellency Honorable Professor Primal Vyas, please sign the MOU between the Iran Culture House and the University of Baroda. We are going to collaborate to each other to promote the Persian language, especially in Gujarat, and especially in Baroda University. I would like to invite some Iranian professors to come to teach the Persian language in Baroda University and vice versa is possible to promote their knowledge in Persian language. So we have the, I hope in future we will sign MOU between two organization, between Iran Culture House and Baroda University. And after that, we are going to extend it to the other side, especially with Iranian universities, with one Iranian university and Baroda universities. And as you know, we should especially to introduce the Persian language to the young generation to come and register their name and learn about the Persian. If they would like to know the history of India, they should know Persian. For example, the manuscript about the coins, everything, and the other things, architecture also we can find, and this is very important. The Persian language is not just only the foreigner language, it's the identity language between Iran and India. So our responsibility about this idea is very important. So I hope in future we will promote the collaboration between Iran Culture House in Mumbai and Baroda University, I hope. Thank you very much for all audience, for all distinguished professors, and especially His Excellency Professor Premal Vyas. I hope in future we have a meeting together, I hope, and after that, inshallah, we will promote our activities. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Mr. Yasuddin, please unmute your microphone.
Thank you, Professor Mohsin Ashuri, Honorable Director, Iran Culture House, Mumbai. Now I would like to Professor K. Krishnan, IC Head, Department of Persian, Arabic and Urdu, and Dean, Faculty of Arts, the Maharaja Siyajirao, University of Baroda.
Good afternoon, everybody. Hope I am audible. Am I audible? Just show hand.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Matter of great pleasure for me to welcome you all and to this particular webinar, international webinar on Persian language and literature in Gujarat at a glance. First of all, let me welcome Dr. Parimal Vyas, Honorable Vice Chancellor of the Maharaja.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Am I clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, yeah. Professor Parimal Vyas, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of the Maharaja Siyajirao University of Baroda, he has been very positively supporting us to organize this particular webinar, and I welcome him to function. Then I have a list of people with me. That is Professor Dr. Mohsin Ashuri. He is the director of Iran Culture House, Mumbai, with whom I had a talk almost a week ago while we were planning this. Then we have Professor Dhanesh Patel, my own colleague. He's the director of the Office of International Affairs of the Maharaja Siyajirao University of Baroda. And my younger colleague, Yasuddin, who has been running around and doing all the work for organizing the international webinar. Then Professor Vanisha Nambiar, who has been standing like a pillar to see to that this whole thing materializes. Then we have a large number of speakers here, that is Professor Wajibuddin Sheikh, who taught in this university for nearly 4 decades. He has been, I think we have to acknowledge his contribution to this university, because wholeheartedly he has taught Persian for almost around more than 35 years. in this university, and he is there as a speaker. Then Dr. Hassan Sulfikari, he is from Faculty of Persian Department, University of Tehran, Iran, and Professor S.H. Kasami is a retired professor from University of Delhi, and Professor Hassan Abbas, Head Department of Persian, Banaras Hindu University, Professor Dr. Alim Ashraf Khan, Professor Department of Persian, University of Delhi, Professor Dr. Akhlaq Ahmad Ahad, Professor Center of Persian and Central Asian Studies, JNU, New Delhi, and Dr. Shukrulai. He is the Director of Persian Research Center, Iran Culture House, New Delhi. Let me wholeheartedly welcome you all to this international webinar on Persian. Let me tell you, the history of Persian language teaching in this university goes back to 1881. This is the 140th year. It was a time Baroda College was established by His Highness the Maharaja Sajarao University, Sajarao of Baroda. And he or
Mr. Krishnan, we have not your voice. آقای غیاث‌الدین
بله.
ما صدای آقای کریشنن رو نداریم. شما دارین؟
نه.
Please.
Krishnan sir, we can't hear you.
hello, can somebody hear your no? Hello. You are able to hear.
آقای غیاث‌الدین ما اصلا صدای آقای کریشنن رو نداریم. من
من
فکر میکنم اینترنتشون خیلی ضعیفه.
بله میگم.
अभी आ गया अभी
Yes sir. Yes.
Fine. I don't know up to what you heard. I was welcoming all of you. I read out the names of the people. Now I have been telling about the history of Persian department, Persian, Arabic, Urdu department at the Maharaja Sajarao University of Baroda. These departments started in 1881. And the Maharaja of Baroda established Baroda College. So in 1881, this department started, and we have 4 professors who were recognized by the President's Medal, which is very rare. And also we have some well-known writers in Persian as well as in Arabic as well as in Urdu who had studied here. And during the partition of India, they were from Bengal, and during the partition of India, they happened to go to East Pakistan, and now it is Bangladesh, and they are considered as one of those well-known writers. So looking at the Persian language as such, actually I'm an archaeologist, so I know about migrations of communities that have been taking place from Persia to India, who came here and they brought it. That is the Zoroastrians, the people who brought it, Afterwards, several invasions were taking place, political conquests, social conquests, and also there were travelers coming to India. So all these people brought this language here, and it will be interesting to know that this language remained as the official language of India for nearly about more than around 900 years. It remained as the official language of India. So therefore, in case anybody wants to work on Indian history, it is essential to know. If you want to work on ancient India, you need to know Sanskrit. Similarly, if you want to work on medieval India and all, you need to know Persian. So, significance of this language. Have learn more.
Yasadin. Yasadin.
Bale.
I cannot, hear.
It is difficulties in network.
Okay.
enough खूब में से.
Okay.
Sir, your voice is not clear. एक minute.
Krishnan sir, we are not able to hear, and for the benefit of the viewers, I now request Dr. Ghiyasuddin to take over.
Dr. Ghiyasuddin.
Thank you, Professor Krishnan, in charge head Department of Persian, Arabic and Urdu,
Hello.
Faculty of Arts, the Maharaja Siyaji Rao, University of Baroda. I would like to speak some about this webinar. गुजरात हमेशा से लैंग्वेज और लिटरेचर का सेंटर रहा है। यहाँ की पुरानी जबानें जैसे संस्कृत, पाली, प्राकृत के साथ साथ फारसी जबान ने भी शोहरत हासिल की। पुराने जमाने में सासानी बादशाह बहराम गौर गुजरात के इलाके कच्छ में आया करता था और उसने अपने सिक्के पर गोरखर की तस्वीर बनवा रखी थी। खर को हिंदी और गुजराती में गधा कहा जाता है, चुनांचे मगरबी गुजरात के लोग बहराम के सिक्के का नाम भी गधैया रख दिया था और यह सिक्का चंद सदी पहले तक गुजरात के इलाके में पाया जाता था। ईरानियों की गुफ्तगू और उनकी स्वीट लैंग्वेज ने फारसी जबान पर गहरा असर किया, जो आज भी और बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ड फारसी के जो गुजराती में शामिल हो गए आज भी इस्तेमाल होते हैं, जैसे सलामत, बरकत और फकत वगैरह। कहा जाता है कि फारसी और गुजराती का रिलेशन 500 साल पुराना है। यही वजह है कि जब ईरान और उसके आसपास के लोगों ने गुजरात आना शुरू किया तो यहाँ के हिंदुस्तान आना शुरू किया तो उसके कुछ गुजरात के कुछ हिस्से में भी यहाँ पर लोग आकर रुके, जैसे गजाली, मशहदी और नजीरी, निशापुरी वगैरह। गुजरात में तारीख पर लिखी गई बहुत सी अगर किताबों को देखें तो जैसे मीराते सिकंदरी, मीराते अहमदी, ये दोनों किताबें गुजरात की तारीख पर लिखी गई हैं और फारसी में है, जो बाद में गुजराती और दूसरी जबानों में ट्रांसलेट हुई। हदीक़े अहमदी, ये पूरी किताब सूरत की तारीख पर लिखी गई है, ये भी फारसी में है। ज़मीम मंशात ब्राह्मण चंद्रभान ब्राह्मण की है, चंद्रभान ब्राह्मण का गुजरात से कोई वास्ता नहीं है, लेकिन उसकी किताब मंशात ज़मीम मंशात ब्राह्मण के आखिरी हिस्से में बड़ौदा के हालात मिलते हैं। इसके अलावा हजरत पीर मोहम्मद शाह कुतुब खाना अहमदाबाद में फारसी के बहुत सारे नुस्खे मौजूद हैं। 16वीं सदी में गुजरात में नागर ब्राह्मणों के जरिए फारसी में बहुत सारी किताबें लिखी गई मिलती हैं, जिसको जमा करने और उसको आगे बढ़ाने में छोटू भाई रणछोड़ भाई नायक ने अहम किरदार अदा किया। इसके अलावा छोटू भाई रणछोड़ भाई नायक ने फारसी और गुजराती में 4 वॉल्यूम में एक डिक्शनरी लिखी, जो आज भी जो गुजरात यूनिवर्सिटी से छपी। आपको बताते चलें कि छोटू भाई रणछोड़ भाई नायक ने डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पर्शियन अरबिक उर्दू से पर्शियन में बीए किया। डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पर्शियन अरबिक उर्दू 1881 में बना, जो आज तक चल रहा है। इसके अलावा डिपार्टमेंट के 4 प्रोफेसर को राष्ट्रपति अवार्ड और 1 प्रोफेसर एमिरेट्स प्रोफेसर ऑफ एमिरेट्स भी रह चुके हैं। इसी को देखते हुए ऑफिस ऑफ इंटरनेशनल अफेयर्स, द महाराजा सियाजीराव यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ बड़ौदा, ईरान कल्चर हाउस मुंबई और डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पर्शियन अरबिक उर्दू ने एक प्रोग्राम बनाया और जिसको इन सब चीजों को सामने लाया जाए और जिससे फारसी को आगे बढ़ाया जाए। नाहिए गुजरात अज ज़माने कदीम बराए इल्म अदब शनाख्ते में शवद जबान फारसी बहमराह जबान हाय कदीमी इनकिश्वर मसलन संस्कृत पाली व प्राकृत हम दर इन नाहिए पेश रफ्त करद गुफ्ते में शवद के बैराम गोर के यके अज पातशाह सासानी बेशुमार में रवद दर जमाने कदीम दर अयालत गुजरात दर नाहिए कच्छ आमदो रफ्त दाश्ते बुद व सिक्के जमाने कदीम दर अयालत व सिक्के कदीम व सिक्के के मरबूत बे उबुद चंद कर्न कबल दर इन नाहिए रवाद दाश्ते बुद फारसी शिकरस व इन जबान बे जबान गुजराती रा बिसियार मुतासिर कर हमीन सबब सुद के बिसियार वाज़ाही फारसी दर गुजराती बेकार में बुरंद मसलन बरकत व सलामत वगैरह। गुफ्ते में शवद के रवाबित फारसी अज गुजरात हुदूदन 500 साल में रसद हमीन सबब शुद के वक्ती के शायरान व नवीसंदगान ईरानी अज ईरान व नवाही दीगर बेहिंद आमदन बाजी अज आनहा दर नवाही गुजरात कामत गजीदन मसलन गजाली मशहदी व नजीरी निशापुरी दर गुजरात बिसियार किताबा दर जबान फारसी नविश्ते शुदे मसलन मीरात सिकंदरी मीरात अहमदी के यके अज तारीख गुजरात बेशुमार मीरवद दर फारसी बिसियार किताबा दर फारसी अज जबान हाई गुजराती या अज गुजराती बेजबान हाई दीगर तर्जुमे शुद मसलन ये किताब हदीक़ अहमदी इन हम तारीख व दीगर किताब ये सिकंदरी मीरात सिकंदरी व मीरात अहमदी इन हम दर फारसी नविश्ते शुदे जमीन मंशात ब्राह्मण के बेवसीले चंद्रभार ब्राह्मण नविश्ते शुदे बुद दर अवाखिर इन किताब अहवाल बरोदा दीदे मिशवद अलावे बर इन आज किताब खाने कदीम गुजरात हजरत पीर मोहम्मद शाह के बिसियार किताब के दर फारसी नविश्ते शुदे दर इन किताब खाने वजूद दारद दर करने शाजदहम निगाह मिकुने मी बीनम के नागर ब्राह्मणान दर गुजरात बिसियार किताब दर फारसी नविश्ते शुदे बुदन इन हमें चीज़ारा छोटू भाई रणछोड़ भाई दर फारसी व गुजराती नविश्ते शुदे बादन इन फरहंग अज दानिशगाह गुजरात इंतशारिया इन फरहंग मुश्तमिल बर 4 जिल्दस छोटू भाई रणछोड़ भाई नायक अज बख्श फारसी अरबी व उर्दू दर फारसी महाराजा सियाजीराव दानिशगाह बड़ौदा लिसान व फौक लिसान से गिरफ्त इन बख्श दर साले 1880 तासीस शुद ता इमरोज एदामे दहद उस्तादान इन बख्श 4 नफर प्रेसिडेंट एवार्ड गिरफ्तान यके अजान प्रोफेसर ऑफ एमिरेट्स बुद सबब इन बरनामे तरवीद जबान व अदबियात फारसी के खाने फरहंग Mumbai, Office of International Affairs, the Maharaja Siyaji Rao University of Baroda, व बख्श फारसी इना बरगुजार में कुनन. Thank you, Professor Vanisha Nambiar, Deputy Director. Now I would like to invite Professor Vanisha Nambiar, Deputy Director, to say some words.
Thank you, Dr. Giyasuddin, for giving us this wonderful introduction about the theme of today's webinar. आज का ये जो webinar है, ये ऑफिस ऑफ इंटरनेशनल अफेयर्स और ईरान कल्चर हाउस पहला कोलैबोरेटिव एफर्ट है